Well, in this video, we are going to learn how to calculate the Cronbach alpha from our sample. So what we are going to do is to, first we have already the data set that we're going to use. Remember that this test of the Cronbach alpha is very important when you have this type of variables, when you ask about a specific topic more than once, more than in one question in your survey. So for example, in here we have 6 questions that relate to uncertainty. So the question is, can we group them all together to kind of come up with a single variable from all of these 6 questions? So to answer to that question, if we can do it, we have to calculate the Cronbach alpha. So to do it is very, very easy. We can go to analyze and then scale and then reliability test. And in here, you will have all of your variables here. I have this because I did the test just a few seconds ago, but you will have all of your variables in there. And you will choose whatever you want to test. I will start with performance. So I will move all the performance questions in there, and then I will write for performance. Here you write the name that you want to, that it will be in the output in the SPSS file. And then statistics, you don't have to add anything. You don't have to put anything on ratings, just change the name to whatever you need. And then click OK. So this is the result. That's why it's important that you write per, so you remember this is performance. And we got 0.704. And you need to check some references, but in general, something higher than 0.6 is okay. We can group all of these questions into a single value and single variable, and that single variable will be performance. You can just calculate the average of all of your 6 questions, or that kind of build this variable, and it's 0.704, so that is fine. And then what you just have to do that for all of the other variables. So we can do it now for we can go with uncertainty. So for uncertainty we have 6, and we just change the name to uncertainty, and then we click OK, and then we have this 0.631. It's not the best, but still okay. We can say it's still okay. Then we can do the others very quick. So we have, in this survey, we asked about the different types of controls, management control. So we have the belief systems, which is one type of control. I will just change the name, beliefs, and then okay. And I have 0.880. That is a very good value for the Cronbach alpha. Then I go back, and then I do the boundary systems. That's another type of control. So both, okay. That's also very good, 0.86. Then I do for diagnostic control, another type of controls, also very good, 0.91. And finally, I do the interactive controls, another type of controls, interactive. So I got 0.845. So that's how you do it. If something's wrong, like imagine that you get 0.20 or 0.30, that's very low. What you should do is to do some test with the other, taking out some of the questions. Like maybe you have 6 questions and maybe you take out 1 and you end up with only 5, because sometimes it's one question that is messing it up. So you can do some test until you reach like a value that is higher than 0.6. But that's basically how we do it. So very easy. And the next video, we will go into the regressions right away.